So here we go. We're out in the sailboat, paddling around with the kayak, out in the sailboat. We're on our way back, and we didn't see John. We just didn't see John. So we made some phone calls, and we got the local police and the fire and everybody, and it sounds like they rounded up Johnny. Hey, where are you, Giovanni? Wave hello. Wave hello. Woohoo! Yippee! Pretty big adventure, huh?
Yeah, really big adventure.
Helicopters and boats and all kinds of stuff. And we've got an incoming Johnny. And I hope we have the kayak behind. Yeah, I see a little yellow.
I hope we have the kayak. We've got the kayak.
Did they save my kayak?
Yes, they did.
Okay, cool. The man and the kayak. Yeah, there he is.
Alright, you wait. He might need some help first. You wait. He might be very cold and in shock.
Dun dee dun dun.
Y'all owe me dinner.